Alright, howdy fixers. Today we're working on a 2007 Ford Expedition. It has a misfire. I used my little scanner, didn't pick it up. Got on the bigger scanner, it picked it up with a p0303 cylinder 3 misfire. Engine misfire detected on startup. That's kind of worrisome. Sometimes that's more pertaining to like a valve seat issue or something like that, but it can also be a coil that's starting to gimp out. And we have a bank 1 catalyst efficiency below limit. So with this misfire going on, I don't know if you can actually see it. So here we got the tack. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put it in the drive. You can see it kind of bounce around, so we're gonna venture outside and I'll show you outside. So I don't know if you can see it. Watch the cap there, it's kind of bouncing a little bit. So you have a misfire, and it's for cylinder 3, so on a Ford it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the other side, on the driver's side. So it's cylinder 3. So we're gonna be going after this one here. That has been replaced. 1 and 2 has. 3 is not, so that's a 7mm, and we're gonna pull that off. Alright, so we're down in here, so we're just taking this all loose. We kind of broke it free. So that's number 3 right down here. Careful not to lose your bolt. So it's already kind of loose. Put one in there. There's my bolt. Got my finger in there. It's magic. And now we're gonna get this one. Pull it out. Your coil. Make sure there isn't any water or oil like this, so there could be a little bit more going on. So the bad things about these coils is that the recess down in there, so when somebody's doing an oil change, like here, you might spill some oil and it tracks on back, and I think that's what happened, because these necessarily don't go through an oil passage like they do on some other cars, like through the valve cover and stuff. So I've sprayed some cleaner in here and I'm just sucking it out. And we're gonna see what I can do. Alright, so compare the coils for the old to the new, and we'll stick it in there. So get this down in here. Connect my coil. Okay, that's connected. I pull my connector. Thing come loose. Now you can see. Alright, so we're going to get that bolt in there, and then we're going to start it and see what happens. Alright, so moment of truth, I'm going to start it up and see if the misfire's gone. And she's gone. So we're going to put it in drive, just double measure here. No lugging. As you can see, this guy is pretty damn stable now. Everything else isn't bouncing around, so we fixed our problem. I think someone, like I said, dumped some oil down in it and got stuck in there, so we're going to take care of this. And that's it.
Fixer good.
Yeah, fixer.